Good morning students, welcome back to the mathematics online classes of class 2 from Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School. Students, are you doing well? Hope you all are doing well and complete your work on time. Okay, today we will discuss about shapes from your book unit 8 beta. You have to see so many shapes. Yes, these are smiling at you. Okay, that is pentagon, that is rhombus, that is triangle, rectangle, oval and rectangle. Okay, let's start the chapter beta. Shapes. Count and write the numbers of each shape. This is triangle, that is in red color. This is square in purple color, that is a circle in green color, and that is the rectangle with red color. So you have to color this picture with the help of these clues. Now let's count how many circles are there, how many triangles are there, how many rectangles are there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many circles are there beta? There are 6 circles. Now square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, triangles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and rectangles 1, 2 and 3. Okay, let's check. Number of triangles 7, number of circles 6, number of squares 5, and number of rectangles 3. Okay, let's come to the next. Straight lines and curved lines. So take a paper and fold it once. When we have to take a paper and when we have to fold it and when we have to open it, so we have to see there is a crease like this. We have to take a paper, fold it. When we have to open it, we have to see this is a crease. So it is a straight line. Okay. So that is a straight line. If you hold the paper of the thread loosely, when we have to take a thread loosely, so that is a curved line. When we have to stretch it, so that is a straight line. Look here. When we have to loose, that is a curved line. When we have to stretch, that is a straight line. So we can draw straight line by using a scale or with the help of any object like pencil box, notebook, tiffin, crayon box, etc. If we move the pencil tip over a sheet of the paper freely like this, so that is called a curved line. So we take a thread, when we have to lose it, that creates a curved line, and when we have to stretch, that creates a straight line. Okay, you have to practice of the straight line and the curved line beta. Take the straight lines and cross the curved line. That is straight line. That is also a straight line. That is a curved line. So you have to take a cross. That is a straight line. That is a curved line beta. And that is also a curved line. Okay. When we have to draw the pencil with a free hand, that is a curved line. And when we have to use a scale or any object, that is a straight line. Sleeping line or standing or slanting line. Straight lines are of 3 kinds. There are 3 kinds of straight lines. Number 1, sleeping line, that is in a sleeping position. That is a standing line, that is on the standing position, and that are the slanting lines like that. Okay, sleeping line is also called a horizontal line. Standing line is also called vertical line, and that is the slanting line from left to right or right to left in the both cases. How many of each you can see in the following figures? So sleeping line, slanting line, standing line. So how many sleeping line is there? 1, 2. How many standing line is there? 1, 2. So in this figure there are 2 sleeping lines and 2 standing lines. Look at the picture. 1, 2, 2 sleeping line. 1, 2, 2 standing line. And look here, that is a slanting line. So one is slanting line. Look at the picture. 1, 2. These are 2 slanting lines. Okay. And this is 1 sleeping line. So 1 sleeping line and 2 slanting lines. Look at this picture. Sleeping line. 1, 2. 2 sleeping line. Standing line. Look here, that is 1 standing line. Slanting lines 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 slanting lines. Okay, you have to practice at home of these shapes beta. Plane figures. Plane figures are those that can be drawn on a surface of a paper. So plane figures are drawn on a paper like triangle, square, rectangle or oval or circle. A triangle is a plane figure with 3 sides and 3 corners. Side number 1, side number 2 and side number 3. Corners, where the 2 sides are met, that creates a corner. Corner number 1, corner number 2 and corner number 3. So there are 3 corners and 3 sides in a triangle. Rectangle. A rectangle is a plane figure with 4 sides and 4 corners. Opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. So these are the opposite sides. So this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. Okay. So how many sides are there? There are 4 sides and opposite sides are equal. And how many corners? Corner number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in a rectangle there are 4 corners and 4 sides, and in a rectangle opposite sides are equal. Come to the next plane figure beta. Square. A square is a figure with 4 sides and 4 corners. All the sides of a square are equal. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All the sides are equal and there are 4 sides. 1 corner, 2 corner, 3 corner and 4 corner. And in a square there are 4 corners. So the square is a plane figure. It has 4 sides and 4 corners and all the sides of a square are equal. Come to the next. What is this? Yes, this is a circle. A circle is a closed curve. It has no sides and or corners. So in a circle there are no sides or no corners. This is a closed curve. Okay beta. So there is an important tip for all of you. A corner is also called a vertex. Corner is also called a vertex. Corner is also called a vertex. Come to the next slide. Fill in the blanks. So we have to already read about the plane figures. So these fill in the blanks are depend on the plane figures. A dash has no corner. So which plane figure has no corner, beta? Yes, circle. A circle has no corner. A rectangle has dash sides. So in a rectangle there are 4 sides and opposite sides are equal. All the sides of a dash are equal. So which plane figure has all the sides are equal? Yes, square. A square has all the sides are equal. A triangle has dash sides. So this is a triangle. So how many sides are there? 3 sides. Opposite sides of a rectangles are equal. Solid figures. So let's read about the solid figures, beta. The figures which we can see in our surroundings are called solid figures. So like juice can, tomato, or joker's cap, birthday caps, dice or tin. So these solid shapes have more than one face. Cube, that is called a cube, beta. ठीक है, all the cubes having square faces. Cuboid is having rectangular faces. There is a sphere, that is the circle face. Cylinder, that is a cylinder. Okay, 2 flat surface and 1 curved face. Cone, this is a cone. Okay, that is a 1 flat face and 1 curved face. These are the solid figures and they are having one then more face. Face, a face is a surface of a solid shape. Okay, face is a surface of a solid shape. Look here. So you have already know about the dice you have to use in Ludo or snakes and ladders, beta. It has how many points are there? There are 6 points. So in a cube there are 6 faces. Okay, and corners are called vertex. Very good. Where the 2 faces are met, that is called a vertex. So when 2 faces of a solid shape meet, they form an edge. When 3 edges meet, they form a corner. 1 edge, 2 edge, 3 edge, 4 edge. These are the edges, these are the corners and these are the faces. So a cube has, look here beta, 6 faces. You have to look in your dice. आपके पास डाइस होते हैं, ब्लॉक्स होते हैं, you have to count it. So there are 6 faces. Corners, you have, when we have to count, so there are 8 vertices. Vertices means corners. And 12 edges like this. 1 edge, 2 edge, 3 edge, 4 edge, 5 edge, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So there are 12 edges. All the face have same shapes and size. Look here, ice cube and dice. You already look here beta. You have know about these things. These are the examples of cube. These are the cuboid objects. Now come to the cuboid. Cuboid having rectangular faces beta. Okay, all the faces, edges and vertices are same as the cube, but cube is having square faces and cuboid are having rectangular faces. The cuboidal objects are book or tiffin box, okay, or your duster, right? So these are the examples of cuboid. Opposite faces of a cuboid having same shapes and sizes. So like rectangular faces, the cuboid faces, opposite sides of the cuboid are in the same size and same shapes. A cylinder has 3 faces, down, up and the front. 2 edges, 1 edge and 2 edge. No vertices, there are no corners, so our cylinder having no vertices. So cell, tube light and the new pencil are the example of a cylindrical objects. Sphere have only one face, like your football, woolen ball or your tomato. Okay, so these are the spherical objects, no edges and no vertices. Okay beta, because it has only one face. Cone, a cone has two faces, one edge and one vertices, one edge and one vertex. For example, birthday cap and softy cone. So these are the examples of a cone, like carrot, okay, like radish. These are also the example of the conical object. Let's match beta. Cylinder, gas cylinder and tin. Cone, softy and cap. Cube, blocks and twine. Okay, square twine. Or spare beta, football and ball. That is your Costco ball. Well done. Cylinder, gas cylinder and tin. Cuboid, your pencil box and a brick. Okay. If you join two dice, when we are having two dice and we have to join, so which shape we have to, which solid we get? Will you get which solid? Yes, cuboid. When we join two cubes, so we get a cuboid. Rolling and sliding. Well, students, sometimes we roll our pencil, so that is rolling. And when we have to slide our book, so those objects having some objects can roll and some objects can slide by pushing or pulling. When we have to push, so some objects roll and some objects slide. So you have to pull your book. It is roll or slide? It is sliding. And when we have to push your pencil, it is rolling. So we find the surface through which a solid can roll, it is called a curved surface, like crayon, your pencil, log of a wood or your football. And some surface through which an object is slides is called a flat surface, like your pencil box, your geometry box, tiffin box or your juice can. So these are slides. Some objects can slide always as long like cell. So cylindrical objects having both the flat surface and the curved surface. So the things having curved surface and the flat surface, they can slide and they can roll both. Fill in the blanks. A square has dash sides and dash corners. So a square has 4 sides and 4 corners. A book has dash surface. When we have to push a book, so it is slides. So it has flat surface. A ball, when we have to push a ball, so it can roll. So it has a curved surface. Tabletop is a flat or curved surface. So it has a flat surface. A football has curved surface. Rectangle has 4 sides. Dash sides of a rectangle are equal. Opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. A circle has dash vertices. A circle has no vertex. Circle में कोई भी vertex बेटा नहीं होता. It is a closed curve. All the sides of a dash are equal. All the sides of a square are equal. A triangle has dash sides. A triangle has 3 sides. A triangle has 3 sides. Tick the correct pencil. Pencil can roll. Bottle can roll. Mobile phone, that can slide beta. Tick a bangle. Trace its boundary with the help of a pencil. With what shape will you get? So on a plain page, on a plain paper, you have to take a bangle and you have to trace its boundary. So we get a circle. So there are so many objects when we have to trace on a paper. So which shape you will get? Duster, rectangle, pizza base, circle, scale, rectangle, a birthday cap, triangle, a coin, circle. So you have to take some things and you have to place on a paper and trace on its boundary. So find out which shape you have to find. Mental math. Our triangle is made up of dash straight lines. So triangle is made up of 3 straight lines. 2 lines are slanting and 1 line is slipping line. A square has dash corners. How many corners? 4. Very good beta. A square has 4 corners. The dice you play with is an example of. You have to play with your dice. So that is an example of cube, because all the sides are equal and it has 6 faces. Very good. A cuboid has dash edges. A cuboid has 12 edges. Okay. A new pencil is an example of when we have to take a new pencil. So that is an example of cylinder. A cone has dash curved face. A cone has 1 curved face beta. Okay. All dash the sides of a square are equal. All the sides of a square are equal. A solid can roll only if it has a dash surface. A solid, if it can roll only, so it has only a curved surface, because if there is a curved surface, it can roll. Let's revise. Tick the correct answer. It has no vertex, no edges, no flat surface, but just 1 curved surface. So it is a very good sphere. It is a sphere beta, like football, woolen ball, Costco ball. It has 1 vertex, 1 curved surface, 1 flat surface. 1 vertex, 1 curved surface and 1 flat surface and 1 edge. So that is a cone. Okay. 1 flat surface, 1 curved surface, 1 cone and 1 edge. It has 6 flat faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices, and all the faces are square. So cube or cuboid? Yes, cube. Cube is having all the faces are in a square shape. It has 3 sides and 3 vertices. So that is a triangle beta. It is a closed curve with no vertex. That is a circle, like bangle. So unscramble the given words. You have some words, you have to unscramble them and match them with their shapes. Beta C-O-N-E, cone. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. Okay, firstly we have to unscramble the letters and we have to match it. Cone, that is a cone. Square, that is a square. Cuboid, that is a cuboid. Sphere, that is a sphere. And circle, that is a circle. Look at the pictures and write numbers. Look at the picture, beta. That is a cuboidal object. That is a book. So straight edges 12, corners 8. Okay. Look here. That is a cube. Same. Straight edges 12, corners 8. Look here. That is a circle. No curved edges or no corners. Straight. Look here. So how many straight edges? 1, 2 and 3, and corners 1, 2, 3. That is a triangle. Okay students, you have to do this chapter with the help of this video and draw the plane shapes in your scrapbook, and you have to learn the cuboidal, cubical, spherical, cylindrical objects and spherical objects. Write three objects, 3 examples of the solid shapes, and you have to take some things and you have to push them and write them. They can roll or they can slides, and some things they can both slides and roll. Okay, see you next video. Bye bye.